How to turn off VPN on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off VPN on your iPhone. So there are multiple ways you can do this. Let's get started. First, head over to your settings. My bad, let me go here. Okay, so after you're on your settings, you'll need to go to General, tap on General, and on your General, scroll down. After you scroll down there, you'll see VPN and device management. Tap on it and there you'll find any VPN that you're currently connected to. So if it's turned on, all you have to do is tap on it to turn it off. After you turn it off, you're basically good to go. Now, if you're just using VPN from any specific apps, you can head over to that app and then turn it off directly from there. And yeah, that's basically how you can turn off VPN on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.